How to get Bybit account verified. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from lemme. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, go to the Bybit account and log into your Bybit. After that, hover to the avatar icon on the right side of the navigation bar, then click on Account and Security to enter the Account and Security page. After that, click on Verify Now in the Identity Verification column under Account Info to enter the Identity Verification page. Then simply click on Verify Now under LV1 Identity Verification to start verifying your identity. Then select the country or region that issued your ID and your identity document type to upload proof of identity documents and click on Confirm to continue. Now complete the mandatory questionnaire, the terms and conditions and click on Submit. Please confirm that you are a resident of the Netherlands before submission. Once confirmed, you cannot modify this information. Once you have done the mandatory questionnaire, the results of the questionnaire review will be delivered promptly and considered completed. After that, complete the bank verification. There are two methods to complete a bank verification: additional questionnaire or fiat deposit. Now, after that, verify by additional questionnaire. If you are unable to make a fiat deposit, you can complete the bank verification by completing the additional questionnaire. After that, try verify by fiat deposit. If you have Ideal or SCPA available, you can proceed to make a fiat deposit to complete bank verification. Please be aware that for verification purpose, you can only deposit once and any refunds of the verification deposit can only be initiated 7 days after the initial deposit. After that, start your identity verification. Select your identity document type to upload proof of identity documents and click on Confirm to continue. If you want to verify your identity using the app, then you can also click on Verify with app. Before you start, prepare your identity document and make sure it is valid. Take a photo of the front and back side of your document. Alternatively, you can choose to upload manually, then click on Next. Then simply complete your facial recognition scan through your laptop's camera. And congratulations, you have successfully completed your identity verification. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.